Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, yesterday we have done the topic that is people who help us. And today we move forward to our next topic, that is revision of neighborhood. As you know, students, we have already done this topic, and today we revise this topic and also do some activities. Now let's start. Neighborhood. Neighborhood means a person who lives nearby, normally in a house or apartment that is next door. Some people form friendship with their neighbors and help them by sharing their tools and helping in different tasks. Okay? Now, after this, students, today we are going to make a model of neighborhood like this. Students, you use paper bags for making buildings and using black chart for making paper roads, and use ice cream sticks for making traffic lights. Okay, firstly make different buildings by using paper bag, okay, like this, and fix these buildings on the chart. And by using black chart, students, you make roads like this, and you also fix the toy cars, toy vehicles on this black chart. Okay, next, by using ice cream sticks, you make traffic lights, okay, like this, and cut the colored paper in the shape of circle in red color, yellow and green color, and paste it on the ice cream sticks. Students, you know red color is to stop, yellow color traffic light is for wait, and green color traffic light is ready to go. Okay, after doing all this, now students, you fix all on the chart to make neighborhood model like this. Okay, students, I repeat it again. Firstly, take paper bags for making buildings, okay, different buildings, because we have to make a model of neighborhood like this. You see in these pictures various paper bags buildings. Next one is using black chart. Students, you use black chart for making road, and you fix the car, toy motorcycle, anything that is on the roads. You paste this on the black chart, and after this, using ice cream sticks to make traffic light. Okay, you know very well that red color is to stop, yellow color traffic light is for wait, and green color traffic light is ready to go. After making all this, students, you paste these paper bag buildings, black chart and traffic lights on a paper and make a proper model of neighborhood. Okay, like this as you see in this picture. You have to make like this. This is a model of neighborhood. Okay. Students, your homework is to make this model, that is neighborhood model, and you send, after making this, you send me the pics on my WhatsApp number. Okay students. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a bright day.